Good evening everyone. Today I'm going to explain you about the first experiment in our Unix lab. The first experiment is all about the commands that we use in Unix, and these are all the questions for which we need to give the commands here. So coming to the commands, uh, the first command is to list the contents of the user's home directory, including the hidden files. For this we give it a list, and we'll get the list of the files that we have used here. uh, the second question, to list the content of slash var directory, so we give the command as ls slash var. To create two directories named dir1 and dir2, to create that we give the command as mkdir mkdir space dir006, and given to create the two directories we give this. To create a directory with your name, we give the command as mkdir, and name here given, I have given my name. To change into directory dir1, so here we give the command as cd dir006. Now the directory is changed to dir1. To copy the file password and the same directory as the file name, we give the command as cd dir000. To change your home to change your home directory, use password command check. We give command as cddr001, cd password, and etc. Yeah. To create eighth question is to create a file test1.txt using vim editor with the following contents, and these are all the contents. Here I given my own contents. Here we give the command as text.1txt cat greater than txt1.txt. We give the information into this table, then we stop it, then we ask for a particular research interest, space text1.txt, and here we get the result here. To display the contents of field test1.txt without any blank lines, we give the command as grep database text test1.text, and this is the one. And we give, to see without any blank lines, we give cat test1.txt minus u without any blank lines. We can see this. To move the file uh, sample text from directory 1 to directory 2, here we give the command as mb sample.txt slash data slash user data slash ur40148 slash dir007. To change directory into directory 2, so we are given the command as cd dir007. To check whether the file sample.txt is present there, ls, if we give ls command, we can see the file test.1txt is there. To see the calendar of the year 2020, we give the command as cal 12 2020, and we get the calendar over here of the particular month. To remove the directory, we give the command as rm space minus r and the directory name. To display the three lines of the file test1.txt, we give the command as tail minus n3 test1.txt, so we can see the last lines of this. And the last question is to display the commands that you have executed so far and save the list with the file name today's history.txt. Here we are given history like greater than symbol, new history.txt, where all our commands are that we have used here are saved into this file. Thank you.